We're coming to you today on this brand new 2023 36 Aviara that is available and on site right now. We'll start back here at the transom. You'll notice this area here, big lounging area with actually quite a bit of room here to be able to walk around while you're out in the water. You have 300, the new V8 Mercuries, unbelievable power, great low end torque, really solid engines. Joystick docking system on this boat with Skyhook and all the other conveniences that come along with that. You'll notice this back area here on the sun pad, very much not your traditional one trick pony sun pad. You can flip up these backrests, give you a nice area to just kind of sit and look out the back. You can also flip up these here to adjust those to the right height, whether you're wanting to sit on them, put your feet here in the non-skid area and have like 2 rows of people, or if you just want to be able to sit and adjust it to a more comfortable height versus just a low lay down backrest. So it really gives you the comfort to be able to do what you want it to do when you want it to do it, depending on how you're using the boat. So really a great innovation by Aviara. As we walk through here in the swim platform, there's a great fender storage area. So instead of using storage underneath your seating, you're actually using this dead area here as just a walk-through to store your fenders. As we walk into the cockpit, you'll see tons of seating. This is a 36 boat. It seats enough people that a typical 40-foot boat would. You'll see a nice L-shaped seat here, flip-flop backrest, so whether we're running, going forward, and you want to be facing forward with the captain, you can do that. Or if you want to lounge and watch the wake off the back of the boat, a great seat for that, and probably the seat that I'd be in. As we walk over to the wet bar, pull out igloo cooler. Nice that it's concealed, put away. Big areas of storage underneath all of these seats as well. Another spot that you could put a storage or a cooler there as well. So sink area, bottle holder in the back corner. This area here, great spot for you to either put all your suntan lotions and sunglasses, that kind of stuff that you always just want kind of be able to grab to be able to have fun on the water. Or if you wanted to ice this down and put food in there, you could do that as well. Once you flip this down, you've got a great working area to be able to just kind of prepare your day's lunch or drinks, hang out. A lot of times people will hang out and sit up here as well. It really just makes kind of a cool spot to hang out when you're backed up to the beach. Isotherm pull-out drawer fridge, big storage area here in the wet bar. And then to me, one of the things that really differentiates Aviara from the rest of the brands that are out there, look at this dash, beautiful dash, big 16-inch Simrad screen. You've got your menus, your digital touch screen for all of your switching. This boat does have an RGB light package on it with all the different lights being controlled through here. Sound can be controlled throughout. An amazing 12-speaker sound system on the boat. You won't be lacking for great sound quality for sure. Simrad all touch button, or Simrad Mercury vessel view here on the dash as well. A nice clean look all the way across this helm station. You'll notice here on the control box, this is Mercury's newest control box. One push of the button here, all 3 of your engines start and shut down. You've got your auto trim or active trim that's on here as well, all kind of self-contained in this unit. A nice, clean, really good-looking control box, and then your joystick controlled docking here on the boat as well. We're going to walk up to the bow, and as we do, you'll check out this windshield. Really a cool, trendy-looking windshield. Fits great with the lines of the boat. And really looks good with this hard top. Massive fiberglass hard top, full beam, gives you lots of shade. The sunshade off the back of the boat, which I'm sure you saw when I was standing on the swim platform, really gives you a good amount of shade when you want it. And then walking here to the bow, you'll notice that this boat does have the bow filler cushion. Makes this big area just one big sun lounge. One of the things I love about the bow of an Aviara is the depth that they have. So I'm 6'5", and when you're sitting here in the bow, I've got a lot of back support. Just because I'm sitting so far down, I feel really secure. I've got a 15-year-old and 10-year-old, so for them to be up here, I'd feel good, even in heavy seas. I'd still feel nice being up here, feel nice and safe up here. And you'll notice as you're lounging here, you've got handles where you want them. You've got armrests where you want them. You can get up to your anchor and windlass. This does have a polished stainless steel anchor on the front, as you'll see in the photos, with an electric windlass system, which you would expect on a boat of this quality and luxury. So we're going to step back into the cabin now and show you the cabin layout and the head layout. I'd be remiss not to point out the design of the sea deck on this boat, on the flooring. Not your traditional straight lines, faux teak look. This is more of a contemporary, edgy style sea deck design, which complements this edgy, contemporary styling that's on this boat that Aviara has produced for us. So as you step down into the cabin, great spot to be able to just decide at the last minute, maybe you just want to stay on the water for the rest of the night. You can do that. This boat does have the bed made right now with a table filler in there. Large bed area. I'm 6'5" and can lay on that bed. And then the wet head, you'll see a nice vacuum flush toilet, mirror, nice lighting. Pull that sink faucet up and you've got a great spot to be able to take a shower and wash that suntan lotion and sand off of you before you go in for dinner. So this is the Aviara 36 here in MarineMax in Fort Myers. Give us a call, get out here and check it out. I think you can tell whether you're backed up to a nice restaurant like this, ready to have lunch or dinner, the Aviara 36 is the perfect luxury day boat for here in Southwest Florida. Talk to you soon, and thanks for watching.